Discover how to make money by taking surveys online. These surveys offer an easy way to earn extra cash and fast-track your financial goals. Explore the top legitimate survey sites like Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashGig, and Opinion Outpost. Each of these sites comes with its own set of availability, age requirements, and payment methods. When selecting which surveys to take, it's important to consider factors such as reputation, the number of surveys available, and payout methods. To maximize your earnings, be sure to complete your profiles, take advantage of free offers, and prioritize surveys with the highest payout rates. Additionally, it's a good idea to follow best practices such as creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software to ensure a smooth survey-taking experience. Be on the lookout for warning signs of potentially illegitimate survey sites, including membership fees, lack of customer reviews, requests for private information, and difficult qualification processes. Rest assured, surveys for money are legitimate and typically take about 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some sites even offer instant cash or signing bonus points. Companies pay individuals to take surveys in order to gather valuable market research and consumer feedback. Start making money with online surveys today.